upgrading your laptop computer with additional storage is easier than you might think. With all the digital photos, videos, and music that people collect, running out of space on a computer is becoming very common. If you find yourself needing more storage space, it's surprisingly simple to replace your current hard drive with a larger capacity drive. Before we begin, I have to warn you, opening the case to some laptop computers could void the warranty, so check your owner's manual to make sure that you can open the case to your laptop without voiding your warranty. Okay, let's get started. The first thing you'll need to do is back up your personal files to protect your data. We recommend saving your data to an external drive, such as a MyBook or MyPassport drive, as it's faster and easier than using DVDs or other media. Also, be sure you have the original disks for your operating system and all your software. Hard drives are precision instruments and should be handled with care during unpacking and installation. To be safe, do not unpack your hard drive until you're ready to install it, and make sure you have a clean, level, and padded workspace. To avoid an electrostatic discharge, ground yourself by touching a metal object before handling the hard drive. Articles of clothing generate static electricity, so be sure clothing does not come in direct contact with the drive. When you're ready, remove the drive from the static shielding bag. Handle the drive by the sides only and avoid touching the circuit board components. Then, place the hard drive on top of the bag. Do not remove the tape seal or any of the labels, as this will void the hard drive warranty. Now that the drive is safely unpacked, let's begin the installation process. Turn off your system. Then go ahead and unplug the computer. Now, turn the notebook over and remove the battery. Simply remove the cover of the hard drive bay. You may need to consult your computer system manual for details. Be sure to keep all screws and other parts together for easy reassembly. Next, remove the current drive. It should slide out easily, like this. In most cases, the drive will be inside some kind of caddy. You will need to unscrew the drive from the caddy and set the screws aside. Align the new WD hard drive with the holes in the drive caddy. Then attach it using the screws set aside from the old drive. Then slide the new drive into the empty drive bay. Now re-secure the cover. And go ahead and reinstall the battery. Plug in the power supply. Now turn on your computer so you can install the operating system. Insert the bootable operating system disk. Then follow the menu prompts. Now, install your software from the original disks and copy over the backed up files located on your external drive. It's as easy as that. You now have a brand new, high-capacity Western Digital drive in your notebook.